20 minutes in, doing a lap around town, and still have not received the first order yet. It's been so long that I should have done at least one order by now, but instead they're trying to offer me this Taco Bell that's $8 going, what is that, 24.5 miles. I'm literally driving around aimlessly at this point. It's been 35 minutes since I've gotten out on the road. Still nothing. Okay, finally, here we go. After 45 minutes, finally got the first orders of the day. These are going to be on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour. We've got Angels and Muchas Gracias going about 5 miles. Thank you. You too. Hello. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Total for that stack was just under $13. That was actually really, really good. Now, if only I got that like half an hour earlier, would be doing great. But as of right now, we're still down like $5. No, $7. I don't know. We've got a lot of ground to make up. IHOP, $7 going 19 miles. Ooh, I just missed that one. That's so unfortunate. Why did I have to complain? Now they're giving me something that is almost as bad. We'll see. We're heading right back to Muchas Gracias. This one is going across the river, 8 miles. Oh, I just realized this one is not going to the same restaurant. It's a different one. Well, I was supposed to go straight here, but there's a cop right in front of me, so can't really switch lanes there.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Total for that order was just under $10. Okay, now I need an order that brings me back home, so it's not just dead mileage, because I've got to drive a long, long way. Okay, I may have gotten a little baited by this order. By that, I mean baited to staying in this area, because this one's actually bringing me even further away from where I want to be. This is Don Pedro, $7 going 2 miles. Thank you. Now let's see if we can make our way back home. Didn't get an order into my zone, unfortunately, so there was some dead mileage there, but I did make it back into my zone finally, and I got an order. This is a Seize the Bagel, $7 going 2 miles. Actually, probably a little bit more than that, because they gave me the order as soon as I passed the exit for it, so let's add another mile.
No, I'm going to the same place and I'm rotating.
Got this order pretty much right away. This is a McDonald's going 4 miles.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $6. Yeah, we're not making any money today, are we? I think at the moment, down $10, maybe a little bit more than that. Next order up is a kitchen table cafe. This one's going 5 miles.
Hi,
Hello. I was picking up a DoorDash.
have a great day. Thank
You too. Thanks.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Total for that one was $10. Okay, that was a good one. Probably the best order today, honestly. Either that or the stack from earlier. Next up, this is Red Leaf Organic Coffee. This one's going 5.5 miles.
Here is the food for you. And then here is the drink.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you are.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Total for that one was $7 and change. So let's say I've gotten about 50 Uber offers today, and only one of them has been at least $1 per mile. Like, I'm not even being picky today. It's just that bad. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $12, going 5.5 miles. Thank you.
Got the order for Olivia. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
There you go.
Alright, I'm going to leave the apps on just in case I get an order, but I highly doubt it. I'm going to start driving home. Current time is 9:02. Total ended up with 75. Yeah, that's pretty terrible. Oh well, what can you do? I'm not going to go drive around in circles again. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.